Basic Occupational Health and Safety Engineering. Inspection, Health and Safety at the Chowking Tansa branch. Top list: housekeeping, demographic, material and handling, material storage, fire safety, electrical safety, occupational health, observation and solution. Number 1. Demographic. Number of population in Tansa branch, Chowking. The total of employee in Tansa branch, Chowking, 48 employee. Number of employee by gender, 26 boys, 22 girls. Number 2. Housekeeping. 5S philosophy, Chowking that applied their system. Number 1. Sort. Tamang pagtapon ng basura sa tamang basurahan. Number 2. Set in order. Tamang pagkakasalansan o pagkakayos ng mga kagamitan. Number 3. Shine. Paglilinis ng kagamitan o iba pa. Number 4. Standardize. Tamang proseso at tamang paggamit. And the last, 5. Sustain. Tamang kalinisan at pag-maintain ng kalinisan ng mga kagamitan or iba. Material handling. Letter A. Lifting guideline. Lifting compact load. Tamang pagbubuhat ng kagamitan o iba pa. Letter B. Manual powered handling equipment. Number 1. Shelf truck. Number 2. Flat from truck. And number 3. Rack or bin. Letter D. Safety protocol they implement for this equipment. Number 1. Implement PPE. Number 2. Safety training. Number 3. Know the equipment. Awareness in safety produced in using those equipment. Number 5. Equipment inspection. And number 6. Risk assessment. Material storage. Lalagyan ng mga material na bagay na ginagamit sa Chowking. Fire safety. Letter A. Early warning device. Fire alarm or smoke detector. Letter B. Fire safety equipment. Fire extinguisher.
Protocols in case of a fire break. First, don't panic, and then pull the alarm, evacuate, condense the fire, use the fire extinguisher, avoid the smoke, don't re-enter, and the last, call the fire station. Training program for the fire safety. Fire safety program consists of fire drills, fire safety equipment, fire prevention, evacuation plan, but usually they conduct this program once in a year. Electrical safety. Organizational measure and technical means to prevent harmful and dangerous effect on Chowking Tansa employees from electrical current, arcing, electromagnetic field and static electricity. Electrical maintenance. Chowking Tansa assign employees who in charge for electrical maintenance and electrical maintenance must now to the follow. Electrical equipment. Implement the proper PPE. Inspect wires.
Occupational health. Letter A. Common health problem encountered by employees. Stress. mental health, poor immune system, heart disease, different type of injuries. Letter B, how management prevent those health problems. Proper first aid kit, proper equipment and product in preventing bacteria and viruses. Health program, giving a proper schedule. Letter C, assistance program that management give to the worker. Insurance and PhilHealth. Common problem and solution. Lack of first aid kit. Some faulty equipment and fixtures. Common problem solution. Focus on adding first aid kit. Adding or maintaining equipment and fixture.